How do you upload easily, organize efficiently, and present perfectly all your digital assets? How can you literally have everything at your fingertips? Show on the Cloud brings you all this and more in 3 easy steps. Save, sort, show. All you have to do is first sign up and register with us, log in with your registered email ID and password, save, sort, and show the world all your digital assets under one efficient management system. Show off your files to everyone in a clean, comfortable format. Manage your team to show off your files and expand your horizons. Manage your files easily. Maintain account information and access it readily. And access support that helps you anywhere, anytime. Welcome to an application that helps manage all your digital assets without confusion. Whether you are a project manager, artist, corporate head, graphic designer, photographer, or even a housewife with family photos, documents, and videos to sort and share. Sign up at www.showonthecloud.com to begin the experience that will change the way the world sees your work. The Show on the Cloud team has created an online space that is not just a single point of convergence for all your digital assets, but also a cutting-edge yet easy-to-use interface that helps showcase your work, art, craft, experience, achievements, and much more to the world. You are invited to explore and view our demo videos. To begin, click on the Sign Up button. A short registration form will open up. You can create an administrative account here. Type in your name, valid email ID, and create a Show on the Cloud password. Also fill in your company name if you have one, and choose a URL identity to create a unique Show on the Cloud address. If you agree with our terms, click on the box alongside the terms of service, privacy, and refund policy. To complete, click on the Sign Up button. A page will open to confirm that we have received your details. Now log on to the email account you provided in the registration form. You will have received a welcome and verification mail from Show on the Cloud. Click on the link provided in the mail to verify your email address. It will direct you to your account in showonthecloud.com. Once the application has loaded, you can log in using your email address and newly created password. Click on the login button and you will be directed to Save, Sort, Show screen. To upload your files onto Show on the Cloud, click Continue and go on to the Save window. Feel free to explore the tips and demos, etc. To close the tips window, click on the Close Window symbol at the top right. Now move on to saving files. Click the Upload Files button. A file folder dialog box will open from which you can select the files you wish to upload. This can include any media, images, documents, video, presentations, etc. Windows users can use the Ctrl+A keys to select all files, while Mac users can use Apple+A. To choose individual files, Control specific files for Windows and Apple Shift specific files on the Mac will do the job. Once you've selected the files, click the Open button at the bottom of the dialog box. The files will begin to upload and you can see the progress bar at the top right. Once the files are uploaded, their thumbnails appear in the View tab. Your files are now saved safely. You can use the help of our tips window following which click on the Sort button and a panel will slide open to the left. You can add categories and the descriptions using the Add Categories button. Adding categories is like creating folders. Name your categories, add a description so that you can understand and access the contents easily at a later date. Click Save after you have finished adding categories that would describe your files. Click the icon next to all categories and the categories you have added will appear or close as you wish. Now you can sort your uploaded files into these categories. All the files will be selected by default. Unselect the files you do not wish to copy and then click on the copy arrow that connects the two panels. You can select the files and follow the same procedure to sort through all your digital assets. Tagging is another great feature that helps you sort through your files. Click on the Add Tag button next to the Choose Categories. Click on the Add New Tag link and enter the tag name, optional description, and save. This will now appear under tags. To tag files, go back and select the files to be tagged. Copy them to the appropriate tags using the arrow button between the two panels. Now all your digital data is ready to be selected and shown to the audience of your choice. Click the Show button and select the files you wish to share. Read through the tips window if you wish and then move on by closing it. You can also create a playlist of the files that you would like to share with your audience. Enter the playlist name and optional description and click Add to Playlist. Your playlist is now ready to be shared. Remember that you can also create playlists that combine your latest files with previously saved files in the Manage section of the application. Now that you have set up your playlists, select the playlist you wish to share, click on the Continue button, and select from the listed users either individually or based on their groups and roles. A brief note on roles and groups here will help. Example, if you like to set up your sales and marketing team in your Show on the Cloud account, roles are to identify users with similar tasks and functionalities. Groups can be a mix of users with different or similar roles. This feature is especially useful for an organization. Click to continue again and the invite screen will appear with the link to the playlist already attached in the message. Edit or add more last-minute users to the senders list. Enter an eye-catching subject line, a personalized message, and hit send. For those who wish to double-check, you can also choose to preview the show before you send it. The receiver will have to click on the URL link in their email to see your showcase. Using this link, you can read comments, feedback, etc. To further manage your assets, click on the Manage tab to open the appropriate window. A drop-down menu will appear on the left corner. This contains your categories, tags, users, comments, feedback, and invitations. You can hide this drop-down menu to access the categories list, tags, users, and playlists. Click on the Upload Assets button to save more files. To remove specific files, select them and click Delete Assets. A Delete Asset window will open where you can confirm to delete the file forever. Show on the Cloud also allows you to sort and add asset types using the button shown here. Click to add a new asset type and optional description. You can also add file extensions and manage other properties using the button next to the asset extension. Close the window to go back to the Manage tab. Edit your asset types and also delete them after selecting the files you wish to edit or delete. We value your time and hence our top right corner area has features that can help access manipulations. Use the drop down menu to choose to see all your assets or just the unsorted ones. You can also use the top right easy access link to upload files. This will open the save.sort.show window. You can also use select files and use the easy access link on the top right to delete them. For further ease of use, we have also provided a quick link button at the top right corner of the window. Your account is your face on Show on the Cloud. You can add, delete, edit your account details and much more by clicking the My Account tab. This includes both your company details as well as your personal account details. Choose your favorites. View others' comments on your files and manage your RFQs from this page. RFQs are requests for quotes that you receive from people who see your show, love it, and want to work with you. You can also change your password. The procedure is simple. Type in your current password followed by a new password of your choice. Confirm and update. Click on Settings to configure your account settings as well as the application settings and save. Show on the Cloud offers economical and efficient payment plans. Choose from any of our attractive options or shift plans using the My Plan link. Spread the word using more than one application or platform to present your show. Show on the Cloud allows communication with third-party applications on agreement with our terms and conditions. You use our APIs to set up your show on custom websites, iPad, Android, Facebook, and more. Use the Contact Us link for any questions you may have about Show on the Cloud. Show on the Cloud is on constant endeavor to make your experience with us as easy and as hassle-free as possible. You can contact us for support 24/7 and we will respond as soon as possible. Take the first step to show on the cloud today. Save, sort, and show your world.